Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushka this side, and today I have another very informative video in store for you. So today we are continuing with our three-part video series about how to set up your WhatsApp chatbot. So just to recap, we did a couple of videos around RAG chatbots and WhatsApp chatbots, and a lot of folks reached out. They asked about more details about how they can go about setting up their own customized RAG chatbot or WhatsApp chatbot for their business. So that's what we decided to do. We are doing a three-part video series. In the first video, we already covered how you can set up your own AI assistant using OpenAI's API in OpenAI developer account. So I'll leave the link to that video in the description. So if you haven't checked it already, I'll suggest you first check that one. And in today's part, in the second part, we are covering how you can set up your own Twilio account, how you can enable WhatsApp Business API and activate your own WhatsApp business number. And in the third part, which is the next part, we'll look at how you can connect both of these, your OpenAI AI account, your AI assistant, and your WhatsApp business number using Fusion's WhatsApp chatbot template, how you can connect these two and set up your own customized WhatsApp chatbot for your business. It's going to be fully customized. So if you haven't done it already, do hit the subscribe button so you will get notified when these videos come out. Let's get into it. So the very first thing we need to do is Google for Twilio. If you just Google for Twilio, you'll go to the Twilio website. Go to the Twilio website, you'll see this option where you can start for free, where you can sign up for free. When you go to the sign up page, you can see there is a simple form where you can sign up with your name, your details, your email address and a password. And there is an option to sign up with Google, which is easier. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. Once I do that, Twilio is going to ask me for my mobile number, and they use this for two-factor authentication just to secure your account and mitigate any kind of fraud or abuse. So just enter your mobile number. It will send you a verification code. Just enter that verification code over here and verify your mobile number. And as a next step, Twilio is going to give you a recovery code. So this is very important because this recovery code is useful if you lose access to your mobile device. So for some reason, if you don't have access to your mobile device, you don't want to lose access to your Twilio account. So in that case, you can use this recovery code instead of your mobile account to get access to your Twilio account. So this is very important. I'll recommend you download this recovery code or copy and save it somewhere safe. So if you don't have access to your mobile device, you can use this recovery code to recover your Twilio account. Next, it is going to ask you if you want to upgrade or if you want to continue with free trial. So Twilio offers a generous free trial. So I'll recommend just going ahead with the free trial account. And when you sign in with free trial, you can see Twilio gives you some free credits to start with. So it has given me $15+ to just play around and explore my sandbox. I can use these free credits as part of my trial account to just explore and play around in the sandbox. But before I can use those credits, I'll have to go through an onboarding questionnaire, which are just a few simple questions about my business, about what I'm looking to do with Twilio. So these questions won't take more than a few seconds to answer. So just select your appropriate business type and your use case. Twilio asks you about how you want to use Twilio. So if you're going to use it for marketing or for notifications or for customer care, you can answer accordingly, and Twilio will guide you to set up your dashboard as per your use case. And finally, I'll recommend here you select WhatsApp because we are most interested in WhatsApp. Finally, we'll need to check this box in order to just agree with the terms and conditions for Twilio usage and for using the Twilio sandbox account. So that should activate our sandbox account. And you can see because we selected WhatsApp, Twilio has given us direct access to a WhatsApp sandbox account. So here you can see because we selected WhatsApp as our preferred channel, Twilio has given us direct access to a WhatsApp sandbox account. And when we go to our dashboard, you can see that even the dashboard has been personalized with a quick start guide for setting up our WhatsApp account. So Twilio gives us some steps which we can follow to quickly get started with our WhatsApp integration. And these steps include getting a phone number from Twilio. So if I click there, Twilio will directly give me a phone number that I can use for my WhatsApp integration. So this is a new number. This is the number provided by Twilio that we can use. And if we scroll down, we can see the Twilio API credentials. So if we want to use the Twilio APIs within our chatbot, which we will look at in the next part, we can use this information. So this is very important. So what I'll recommend is you should also copy this API credentials information, which includes your account SID, it includes your auth token, and it includes your Twilio phone number. So you can copy all of these and save in some secure location, which we can use later on to connect this Twilio account and this Twilio phone number with our WhatsApp chatbot API. So now what happens if you don't want to use a Twilio number, you don't want to use a number provided by Twilio, but you want to use your own number. So let me also show you that. If you go to the messaging section, and there you can select the senders and WhatsApp senders. So here we can also add our own WhatsApp number as a preferred sender. So if I don't want to use the number provided by Twilio, I want to use my own WhatsApp number, which I already have with me. This is where we can do it. So go to messaging, go to senders, go to WhatsApp senders, and here you can select the option that I want to use my own phone number, right? And there you just add your WhatsApp number, your WhatsApp business number. But an important caveat here is you need to have your Meta business account, which is approved by Meta, and you need to have an approved WhatsApp business number connected to your Meta business account. If you have that, you can simply connect your Meta business account and your WhatsApp business account to Twilio. So if you click on continue with Facebook, it will open a pop-up which lets you connect your Meta business account with Twilio. And once you do that, you can next select your WhatsApp business number, which is connected to your Meta account. So you need to have an approved Meta business account and an approved WhatsApp business account. If you don't have a WhatsApp business account, you can simply create a new WhatsApp business account. So if you select that option, it will just ask you a few questions about your business, which you can answer, and then go to the next step where you can specify the WhatsApp business number that you want to use with Twilio. And it will trigger a verification process. So you'll get a verification code on your mobile number, which you just need to enter here, and your WhatsApp business number that you want to use with Twilio will get verified. And that's the last step. Once you are done with that, you just confirm that this is the number that you want to use as a WhatsApp sender in your Twilio account, and then you can just finish this, and this takes care of your Twilio setup. So once our WhatsApp number is verified, the list of WhatsApp senders will reload, and you can see that our own WhatsApp number has now been registered as a preferred WhatsApp sender. And you can also see that WhatsApp business account and Meta business account have also been connected to this Twilio account, which now you can use as a registered WhatsApp sender with Twilio. So that's what I wanted to share with you. So today we looked at how you can set up your Twilio account, how you can activate Twilio APIs, WhatsApp business APIs, how you can purchase a WhatsApp number from Twilio, or how you can connect your own WhatsApp number with Twilio using your Meta business account. So I hope that has given you a lot of clarity about the Twilio setup. So you can follow these steps to set up your own Twilio account. And in the next part, we'll look at how you can use this WhatsApp business number set up with Twilio, how you can connect it to your OpenAI AI assistant to create your fully customized WhatsApp chatbot for your business. So if you haven't done it already, do hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.